Guys, today I'm playing GTA Online and there is a car behind me. Get out! Whoa, this car is so annoying, guys. Wait, let me just call Lester, guys. Like, then the police will automatically go in GTA Online. Okay, guys. Oh, no. Oh, no. But guys, I might die. Guys, there's so much police over here. I'm not lying. So much police. Whoa, this is like 4-star. Oh, it's 3-star. The 1-star away. Lol. I didn't even know. Okay, let me just call Lester. Okay, Lester, let me call us. Oh, what is this? I'm just gonna accept the heist. Okay, let's see how much money we get, guys. Okay, I'm doing the heist. I don't know who is the host of the heist, but yeah, I'm still doing it. I need money. I'm saving up for a car. I don't know what her name, so yeah, I'm saving up for a very good car. Okay, and the good news is that I almost have enough money that I can get the car. And now it's starting. Should I purchase all ammo? 62,500. Oh, now I'm just gonna purchase super heavy armor. Actually, I'm gonna purchase it. Should I? Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will. Okay. Should I invite players? No. Yeah, no. Yeah. Let's invite players. No, okay, my friend. No, not my friends. Nah, nobody is online. Oh, no. Only me and host is left. The other guy left. No, and what is this heist? Glass Heroes heist survival. Guys, tell me in the comments what does it means, please. Okay. Starter weapons. What should I choose? I should go caliber rifle. Yes, what is this? Carbine rifle. Whatever is that? Yeah. Okay, I have full ammo and purchase super heavy armor. Done. But that guy is only level 17. Guys, look at my level. Wait, I'm gonna be quiet. 38 is my level. Okay. Whenever you be quiet, like there is a thing in GTA Online that records your voice, but not for me because my mic is not on in GTA Online. But yeah. Okay, the heist is started, guys. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna record this all heist and then I'm gonna upload it for you guys. It's gonna be fun. Oh, why am I $200? Oh, this is not a heist. It's like a hero thing. I think so, guys. Let me go get some. Oh, armor is full. Where are they? What should we even do, bro? Tell me. Hey, bro, don't kill me. Or I'm gonna kill you. Don't kill me. Oh, take out the enemies. I see that. Okay, there are so many enemies over there. Hiya! I'm very good, guys. I'm very good at this thing. What is this? He's dead. Okay. Leaving survival. Oh, I was leaving the heist. I think so, guys. But this guy can't kill these people. It's easy, bro. Easy. He is trash. And bro, what am I saying? I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, I'm just me. Take out the enemies. I am taking out the enemies. Oh, what just happened? Survive wave 1. Let's go, guys. We just survived. Total kills 10. I got 6 kills. The other guy got 4 kills. Let's go, guys. I'm leaving the survival. I have to go in here. Let me take out my gun. No, what should I do? Brutal attack on them. It's gonna be like so scary. What should I do, guys? Tell me. What should I do? I'll take out the enemies. Let me go this, bro. You don't know how to take out enemies. I'm very good at this thing. Guys. You know I've done the 2 heist. It's the one of the most hard heist in the game. You know, that's actually true. I've did that. And I've done the casino heist as well. And don't you know the heist guy burrito? I think so. I said it right. If I didn't say it right, please correct me in the comments. Okay. Let me just kill these people. Done. Wait. Somebody is behind over here. Let's go. Oh, these are so many. Help! Oh, my teammate is so trash. Help! Bro, my teammate. Oh, no, he's dead, bro. Oh, I survived wave 2 easy. I got 50. I got 13 kills. You only got 2 kills, guys. Yo, I'm goated. you are goated as well. Okay. Well, do something, you AFK person. You AFK. You like to be AFK, but I don't like AFK things. What did I just got? What is this? Let me check. Oh, this is a very good gun. What is it? Compact MG. If I didn't say it right, correct me in the comments. By the way, there are so many right now. Bro, look, he is running. He is a scary cat. He is a scary cat. He is the most scariest cat ever I've seen in my life. A last person over here. Oh, these are so many over here. Now get here, bro. Get here. I'm ready, bro. I don't care. I'm gonna sacrifice. I don't care, but I'm gonna kill you guys first. Then I'm gonna say, help! Bro, my teammate! Take cover, take cover, cover. Okay, thank you. No. Yes! Guys, these are too many. Help! Who plays GTA Online? Tell me in the comments. I'm dead, bro. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm definition of cooked. I'm definition of cooked right now. I'm definition of cooked. Yeah, I'm definition of cooked. I told you guys. I'm definition of cooked. Oh, my teammate. I got the wrong teammate. I think so. What? Wait. What do you mean? Huh? What? How did survival fail? Rage wave 3, what do you mean? 300. Oh, that's so bad. Oh, at least I got 123 RP. Yeah, that's good. RP like increases your level. Well, what should I do now? Nah, I'm just gonna quit this job. It's boring. I just said job. I'm dead. I just said job. Comment to site. What is this new event? The 420 event. Grand Theft Auto GTA Online. What is this? Tell me in the comments. I haven't played this update. I play every single update, but I couldn't play this update. I think so. Yeah. And by the way, who is the owner of GTA Online and GTA Offline? You know. Okay. I'm loading in. I'm loading into the main GTA Online because I quit the job. Okay. Okay, let me just read that. You can also read this. What is it? The man with the van and the plan is to putting his step on the lock settles this 420 LLE. Oh, what is this? Oh, Lamar. Wait, Lamar isn't even. I think that this is like you have to find some plants in this event. I think so. If you know this event, please tell me in the comments, guys. I'm still loading in, guys. Okay, please tell me in the comments if you know it. If you don't know it, you can ask ChatGPT. Even I do ask ChatGPT because ChatGPT is very good. Okay, what is okay the wait let me okay, it's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's okay. It's not raining tacos. It's raining water. It always rains water. Wait, let me get a car, guys. You wanna see my car? I have a very good car. It's only one. I think you know it. V-Star. I think so. That's the name. I have to call Moore's Mutual Insurance. I have to call them.
Morse Mutual. We're here to help.
Wait.
Sure.
What? $68,000 to repair my car? Oh my god. Excuse me. No, let me just call mechanic. Mechanic, pick up, beta, mechanic.
You need something, huh? One of your rides? Let me know.
V-Star. Wait, where is my V-Star, guys? I told you the name is V-Star. Where is it? Oh, I see it. I modified this car a lot. Like, a lot. What is this? Nah, I'm not gonna do this. Wait, is this a Doomheist? No, this is not the Doomheist. Wait. My car. Oh my god, I can't drive a car. I'm so trash in driving a car. Guys, bro, my username is Vat23. You can friend me. Okay? My channel name is Vat Vibes. You can subscribe it. And no, wait. Okay. I'm driving peacefully. What is this? Mystery box, King of the Hill for 44 to 16. Okay, whatever is that, I'm not accepting that. Let me go do some more. Let me check how much money I have. Okay, I have in cash I have 3,816, and in bank I have 5,600. 5,600 of what 5,060 the 5,062 542 whatever is that bank I have that much money, and I can't buy a car right now because the cars are up to $1 million and I don't have $1 million. I have the half of the $1 million. Oh, I see a banda. Let me go kill him. I'm coming. Let me take out my sticky bombs. Sticky bombs are very good, but the good thing is my car's top speed is oh, I see, he's paused. And my car, I was telling you guys that my car's top speed is what was my top speed? Whoa! Here, do that! I died. Look at that. Here, do that! Oh my God! I'm rage quitting. I'm not rage quitting. He's gonna destroy my car. If he destroy my car, bro, I'm rage quitting. I'm serious, bro. If he destroy my car, that's a very good car. I by mistakenly killed my own self because I threw a sticky bomb too early in the air, and then I blasted it too early. Okay, let me get in my car. Oh, I see that. Wait. I think so. I know this event. I think so. Let me go in first person. I don't need to do drift, guys. Woohoo! We're doing drifts. Where's the guy? What is this here? No, if somebody invites me for a doom heist, I'm gonna accept because I need money. I need money to buy new things. Wait, should I register myself as a CEO? Let me do it. If you don't know how to, you have to go into your interaction menu and then register as a boss, and then whatever is that the first option, and then click it, and then yeah, that's it. And now start it. Okay, now I am just VIP now. Yeah, that's no money to pay. It's easy. Okay, no money to pay. Even I paid zero money. Let's see if someone comes. Somebody killed the president. Yo, actually, somebody killed the president. Yo, wait, whose house is that? You are now the VIP of an organization. What organization? What is this? Should I buy this apartment, guys? It's looking good. Nah, I have a garage and I always spawn in it for my car. I had another car, I sold it because I don't need that anymore. Okay. No, bro. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious? I'm serious. Okay, guys, let's go to Franklin's house. Yeah, actually, let's go to Franklin's house. Bro, be aside. These guys, bro. King of the... No, I want to do a King of the Hill, guys. These guys are saying me to do a King of the Hill, and heck no. I'm doing a King of the Hill. It's not that good. I don't like King of the Hill. Not at all. Okay, I'm almost at Franklin's house. We have to take a turn. Bro, I'm so trash driver. I'm a very trash driver. Go. And by the way, bro, why is my screen red? Whenever I do it in the third person, I think so we say that. What is these things? What are these beasts? Bro, I need this car, bro. What is this? Let me go inside Franklin's house. What's happening over here? What? Oh, Chop, guys! Remember at the GT Offline, Chop's house. Yo, Chop's house is over here. Did Franklin shift? Bro, are you serious? Oh, what is that slide doing over there, bro? What is this? No, actually, what is this? Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious? Let me go down here and then Take a jump. He survived the bounty. Whoever is that guy, he is lucky, bro. He is so lucky. No, what did I even do? Oh, I have to go like, yeah, I know where to go. We have to go up and then we have to take this ramp and then I think so we can go inside his house. Let's check, guys. Okay, let's go up and up and up and down. Oh, no, I mean here. Yeah, and then go. But why is my screen so like red? Oh no, yeah. Okay, now, please be open. It's not open. Let me go in Franklin's house. I still remember GTA Offline. I'm gonna play it soon. Okay, let me jump. Yoo-hoo! So I jump in the water, guys. Whoa! You saw that, right? You saw that. Ooh! I just gonna die, but he didn't. Wait, a bounty is being sent to. Oh, I thought a bounty is being sent to this guy, but his name is Thousand, and the bounty, the money of the bounty is like 963 trillion. Let me destroy his car, bro. I need your car. Sorry, Franklin. It's very good, guys. It's a should I take? Actually, bro, let me come in. Oh, okay, bro. You know what, guys? I'm gonna destroy. Haha, Franklin. I'm gonna destroy your cars. You don't have a car. Shiver my timbers. Who knows Shiver my timbers? Okay, let me go back. That's it. Bye-bye. Wait, are these cars bulletproof? Because I did a bomb on them and they did not destroy. Nice, Franklin, you are lucky. But not now. Because now what I'm gonna do is very khatarnak. It's like very dangerous. Don't try this in GTA Online. You see what's in my hand? And tata, bye-bye. Woohoo! What? What is this car made of? Oh, what is this car made of? Is it made of like diamond or something? Oh, sorry, I burped. Lol, I burped. I'm a burp guy. Let me do this last time. But if it does not get okay, I'm rage quitting. Psych. I'm gonna rage quit because I have you guys, and I'm never gonna rage quit. Remember? Yeah. Okay, let me go in my car. Okay. But if I die once, I'm ending the video. I'm serious. If I die, bro, I'm ending the video. Okay. Woohoo! Let me go see. But if I crash my car or if I destroy my car, I'm rage quitting. I mean, I'm not rage quitting. I'm ending the video. If I die, then I'm ending the video. And if I put my car on fire on mistake, I'm gonna rage quit. I'm serious. Okay. But who knows this? Are you serious, bro? Not Tom Corners. I know this guy. I'm not going to Diamond Casino Resort. I'm not going to that place. It's not that good. I don't like it. But I did the casino heist. And you know what's the good thing about casino heist? When you do the casino heist and when you go in Legendary Motorsports, then the trade price is unlocked. Like, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys something. If you go in Legendary Motorsports right here, and then let me go into C2 door, and then let me check a card that is its trade price. Like, for example, let's select this one. Now, trade price. Okay, for this I have to do the casino heist. I know it doesn't say, but once it said me, if you want to unlock the trade price, you have to do the casino heist. So yeah, I've done it, but I don't have enough money right now, so I can't buy that card. That's why. That's the reason, guys. Okay, let me go to Los Santos custom. I'm rich. Okay, I'm not rich. Wait, I want to go 1v1 with someone. Bro, something is wrong with my car. It keeps on drifting. It's a drift car, I think so. I didn't see it properly, but yeah. Okay. But you know, my friend is so good. Like, don't you know that boost car? Like, it has the boost on his back. That car, you can go for Vostok. I think so. I see 2 person at that showroom over there. Let me go there. Bro, POV buys the car and then I just came from nowhere and destroy his car. She can just go to more motor insurance and then do it, but bro, it's gonna be so fun. Where is he? Oh, I see the person. I think so. Guys, shoot a headshot. Guys, shoot a headshot. Where is he? Oh, I see him. Let me go in my car. Oh, I see him. Lol. Boy's running away. Wow, why are you running away? He's a scary guy, guys. Oh, I see him. Guys, I'm gonna kill him. Look. Wait! He's a hacker. He's a hacker, guys. I'm serious. He's a hacker. He left. What's... Oh, I've played with this guy a lot of times. Guys, did you saw that? You saw that, right? Oh, now I'm rage quitting police. Let me try to defend myself from police. Okay. Hi, police. Hi, police. Ah. Hiya! Oh, this is gonna be hard, guys. Hiya! Oh, this is gonna be so hard. This is gonna be hard, guys. My baby. Okay. Okay. I'm defending myself. The pistol didn't hit me. Ah, help! Bro, nobody's here to help me. Oh, I'm dead, guys. I remember when I told you if I die, I'm rage quitting. I mean, I'm not rage quitting. I'm gonna end the video. Okay? So, wish me some luck. Ah! I'm dead, guys. Okay, bye-bye. Because I know I'm dead. I'm so dead, guys. I'm so dead. I'm serious. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh, no. It's 2-star police. In GTA Online, if you kill one police from the Los Santos, then it's 3-star. Yeah, I know. Kind of weird. And this is only 2-star. Destroy. No, I'm not gonna destroy it. What if I say no? Help! Oh, I'm still defending myself. Let's go, guys. Not even one pistol hit me, but now it did. Oh, I'm dead. Bye-bye. I'm gonna end the video. Bye, and I'm out.